little gem. How are you all? All are fine? Very good. Me also fine. Welcome back to our online class. Students, yesterday I taught you the table 6. Today I am going to teach you in words. In words, lecture number 31. In words 31 to 40. Understood all of you? You know what is the date today? Today is 14, 7 months, year 2021. Answer 31. Sorry. Spelling of 31 is THIRTY 30 ONE1. Very good. You know the spelling of 32? Please tell me. THIRTY 30 TWO2 32. Spelling of 33 is THIRTY 30 THREE 33. Spelling of 34 THIRTY 30 FOUR 4. Spelling of 35 THIRTY 30 FIVE 5. Spelling of 36 is THIRTY 30 SIX 6. Spelling of 37 THIRTY 30 SEVEN 37. Spelling of 38 is THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8. Spelling of 39 THIRTY 30 NINE 9 40 FORTY 40. Next page you have to mention the same as W. In words, you have learned the spelling 31 to 40 in the homework. So meet you soon next class. Bye bye all of you.